Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset the TCO switch, or what is known as the thermal cutoff switch, on your GE dishwasher. I will be doing this on the GE Cafe dishwasher, but this process should work on other GE dishwashers out there as well. Now do note, to reset the TCO on your GE dishwasher, you will have to pull it out. So take all the precautions, get some help, turn off the breaker if you're pulling out your GE Cafe dishwasher. Make sure that you have enough length for the wire, the hoses, everything when you pull out your dishwasher. And then where do you find the thermal cutoff switch on your GE Cafe dishwasher? Well, it is on the bottom right. So here it is. We are at the back of the GE Cafe dishwasher. And this thing over here, this is your thermal cutoff switch for your GE Cafe dishwasher, and you can actually very carefully and slowly try to pull it out. And you see, here it is. So I was able to pull it out successfully. And where is the button? Well. So the button is between these two wires. There it is. You see that black thingy in the middle of the two wires? That is the thermal cutoff switch, or the thermal cutoff button on the GE Cafe dishwasher. And all you have to do is press it. And if it is stripped, try to press it in with a screwdriver, and you should hear a click. And once you are successful in pushing that thermal cutoff down, all you have to do is slide this thing back into place.